Hi guys, welcome back to Luke Ecker's Woodworking. I'm Luke Ecker, and today I'll be talking about maintaining your table saw. Let's get started. So, my table saw has become my new workbench. Since it's cast iron, the cast iron on a table saw is always a flat surface. I usually use it for glue ups and stuff like leveling chairs if I would make a chair, but it's become pretty messy with all the glue on it. So I went out and I picked up this liquid wrench dry lubricant. So you spray it on and it goes on wet but becomes dry. So all I'm going to do is I have a 150 grit sandpaper and I have my speed on 3. So all I'm going to do is sand the surface till I get some good results. This is what it looks like now. Now I just have to spray some of that oil on here and good as new. I'm planning on getting cast iron wings for this because this sits lower than the cast iron, so I can put, if I would make a bigger table, I can put the legs on there and make sure everything's level and doesn't rock. Let's spray some dry lubricant on here. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with all your friends. Be sure to check out my Instagram page, Luke Ecker's Woodworking, and I'll see you guys next time.